In this video, I would be talking about the optimization of packaging in e-commerce and about green packaging as well. So let's begin this video. So a supply chain is a network of all activities and technology involved in the creation and sale of a product, from delivery to the manufacturer through its eventual delivery to the end user. So designed as the buying and selling of goods through online services, e-commerce is a rapidly expanding channel. Packaging is an integral component of e-commerce as it is a vital part of the first physical impression that a consumer has of the product. Packaging can influence the sensory experience a consumer has with the product through texture and visual appeal. Packaging a strategic move. The packaging is evolving continuously with the evaluation and shift in the business model from brick and mortar to click and mortar. This shift has created demand for optimization of the elements involved in packaging process. This involves large number of factors that needs to be taken care of before deciding over any elements of the packaging. There are three types of packaging: primary, secondary, and tertiary. The primary packaging is direct contact of the product, and the major aim of the packaging is to ensure the safety. It is a principal layer containing the finished product. Secondary is the kind of packaging which is utilized outside of the primary way of packaging to aggregate a specific number of items to make a stock keeping unit. Tertiary packaging, on the other hand, is utilized to amass a bigger amounts of SKUs to ship them from point A towards a point B. This sort of packaging makes it simpler to ship huge and additionally hefty loads securely and safely. The factors that influence packaging are protection. The packaging should be able to protect the product from outside forces, and reliability. This focus on the design of the package so as to suit the human physique and acceptability. Security, to look into the safe shipping of the product, and environmental issues as well, like reusability of the packaging material. So journey of packaging begins from omni-channel research that is made before the purchase, order placement, inbound logistics, picking of goods, sorting, packing, preparation before shipping the orders, outbound logistics, delivery of orders, and reverse logistics. So the packaging and advancements that are made by companies nowadays. Upon analyzing the change in various packaging process of different renowned firms, there are the following changes that are noticed. Amazon introduced frustration-free packaging program in order to provide users with the ease of opening the packaged product and made use of such smaller packages, reducing the cost per package. This helped in saving the cost. Puma, sports apparel brand, led its focus on reducing the harmful impact on the environment that is caused by packages, and they discarded the use of shoe boxes and replaced it with slip-on bags. Alibaba Group, another conglomerate in the league of e-commerce, analyzed the customers' need for green packaging and green packaged materials. Dell, the tech giant, made changes to their packaging by using bamboo packaging for their small devices, and now moved on to 100% recyclable material. McDonald's, the fast food company, made use of 100% recyclable material which were obtained from certified sources and moved a step ahead by having their own recycling units. The key parameters for cost reduction through packaging are, as per our understanding, we would like to propose three key parameters that a packaging model should be taken into account in order to obtain optimized packaging and in turn at the end save the cost. First is the material and sustainability, second is the design of packages, and third is the logistics. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.